So you want curls. You want to enhance your curls. Man, I'm just going to get straight into the video. No yapping. Let's go. First step. Alright, so boom. I'm hopping in the shower and I'm going to detangle my hair with Aussie conditioner. This is going to be in my Amazon store, link in the description. All the products I use is there. Go check it out. So I'm just getting my hair ready for detangling, and I'm just putting some water in it. So I've got the Aussie conditioner right here, and I'm just getting it evenly throughout my hair and getting it in the roots, just like so. Alright, so now for detangling. This comb, by the way, is going to be in my Amazon store, link in the description. So for detangling, I'm starting from the tip and then going to the roots. A lot of you guys go from the roots and work your way to the top, but that can actually give your hair some damage and breakage, and that's not proper detangling. Alright, so this is what your hair should look like after detangling, and it should run through smoothly. If not, then do it again. So right here, I'm just rinsing out the conditioner for my hair. Next, what you guys want to do is dry your hair a little bit, but keep it a little bit damped. And for this video, I'm coming in with Big Papa Gel. This gel is amazing. Link will be in the description. So first, what you want to do is just put it in your hair and then mess it around with your fingers. Just like so. Just mess it around. Just apply it everywhere. So what I'm doing here is just grabbing a couple parts around my head and just coiling it just like so. But I'm not coiling my whole head. I'm just coiling some parts to make it have like a finished look with the curls. And then I'm going to separate the coils. So right here, I'm going to get some gel and just use my fingers and rake through with my fingers with the gel, like here. And just shake it up a little bit. And now I'm going to use the tip of my fingers and just mess it up like this. And just go back and forth like that. And that kind of like forms the curls even better. This is what I use all the time, this method. And right here, I'm just making sure I get some defined curls around the whole head just to finish like the image of the hairstyle. So here's the back. For the back, I'm just doing the same steps like I did in the front. I'm just applying in the back and shaking my hair and using the tip of my fingers like I showed you guys. And this is coming along nicely, as you can see. So this is what you guys' hair is gonna look like at the end. Yo, Papa Gel is actually amazing. It's amazing. This is what the back looks like. So yeah, this is the end of my video. If y'all liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. And comment down below if y'all want to see more curly hair tutorials. And yeah, without further said, I'm out. See you guys.